All my thoughts are running around inside my head. Emotions keep coming, they're keeping me from thinking straight. Thought it would be different when I got my things in place. Stuck in this commotion, how come I ain't past this yet? I wanted me to be somebody else, another me that doesn't need your help. But if I'm honest, I don't think we got it. I tried to change the things you never liked, try to make this better, make this right, but we're the same, even though I changed. Really made an effort, promised I would change, but something stayed the same. Wanted to do better, wanted to be great, but something stayed the same. Something stayed the same. Something stayed the same. Start a life in the country, I could say yes to that. Whatever way you want me, I'll learn it all and I'll adapt. Even if I changed up everything except my name, we will still be fighting, cause I am still the same. I wanted me to be somebody else, another me that doesn't need your help. But if I'm honest, I don't think we got it. I tried to change the things you never liked, try to make this better, make this right, but we're the same, even though I changed. Really made an effort, promised I would change, but something stayed the same. Wanted to do better, wanted to be great, but something stayed the same. Something stayed the same. Something stayed the same. I can change the way I am, the way I talk, the way I stand. It doesn't really matter.
If you love me right, yeah, this could be the summer of our lives now, honey. Give it to me like you know you should now, baby. This could be the summer of our lives, the summer of our lives. The sun sets on fire, tell me your desires. We're not getting tired, baby.
Hello everyone, today I'm gonna edit a couple more photos from this shoot. So let's get started. I'm using the VSCO and this is the end result. I'm gonna revert this photo, so I'm gonna click revert original, revert. So this is the original photo. I'm gonna use the HP2 and E5 both to see the differences. I'm gonna give 6.3, about 6.3 of the HP2 and then sharpening a little bit. Then slightly reduce the exposure and then the contrast add a little bit more. So as you can see that the light on her face, it was the reflection from the building behind us. So the sun direction was hitting on the building, the windows. The window reflected the light, so it acted like a natural reflector. So if you are curious what are those lights, is because of the building reflecting the lights behind us. So I'm gonna crop it like that around there. You can see that just around the bokeh area, around the top the area, the blue and red dot behind is a cop car that was giving a ticket to a Lyft driver. So let me save this one. So save to the camera roll. So let me try another one. So we can try this one with the backlight. So this one was HP2 also, and I'm gonna revert to original, revert. And as I said, I'm gonna try HP2. Depends on the E5 or HP2 which one is better. I'm gonna choose between them. So to make it more consistent throughout my feed, so slightly adjust the sharpening, slightly reduce the exposure. We can add a little bit of the warmness to the photo because it was a little bit cool, so toward a cooler temperature. And I'm gonna slightly adjust the 4:5 crop for Instagram and then position around the center area. So let me slightly adjust it. So kind of like that around here. So you have room both sides for doing the feed posting on the Instagram feed. So the next one, this one was from the theater. So this one was E5. So I'm gonna start from the original. So just to give you how I use the E5 for this one. So the first thing, I'm gonna click the edit button and then the favorite E5 as the filter. I'm gonna do 7.9 for this one, and then slightly adjust the highlight safe and sharpening, slightly reduce the exposure, contrast a little bit. You can see that the edges are getting darker. That's fine. It created a vignetting feel to it, so it kind of like retro film style. So slightly adjust that and then save to camera roll. So this is about 3 minutes per photo, and I'm gonna do a flower one. So gonna edit this one. HP2 might be too cold for this one. I'm gonna increase the warmness for this, so increase a little bit more warmness just to be not too cold for this one, and then slightly highlight safe, exposure reduce a little bit. So that's before and after. So make sure it is not too cold on the skin tone. You can slightly adjust the temperature for the skin tone, and then let me slightly adjust the framing. Saved it. So I got saved this one, and then let's do another one with the HP2. So this sitting one are HP2 also. So I'm gonna adjust this using HP2, revert to original, revert, and edit. I'm gonna use HP2 9.3, highlight safe, exposure reduce, increased contrast, and then the slightly adjust the tone and sharpness a little bit more. So I'm gonna slightly adjust the tilting. So this one, if I want it for the story, I can just save it for the story like that. and then this one with the light rail, I think it was the different filter. So this one was C8. So I'm gonna show you the C8 filter. So let me revert to original and then edit, and then I choose the C8. You can see that the tone are different in the C8 filter, and then sharpening, slightly adjust the highlight save, and then this one I can give a little bit more exposure so that the facing is slightly brighter, the front. Okay, so slightly adjust the 4:5 crop. Okay, so that's it for today's editing. So I edit a couple quick photo, and then for the backlights and different style HP2, mainly HP2 and E5. And thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned for more video coming up. Bye.